Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Gosvor LiteVac G1 pool vacuum. I've looked through the internet, checked user opinions on cordless robotic pool vacuums, and compared how products in this category typically perform to figure out whether this is actually worth buying or if it's another gadget that sounds smarter than it really is. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest selling point here is convenience. This is a cordless robotic pool vacuum, which means you don't have to deal with long hoses, external pumps, or dragging cables across the pool area. You simply charge it, drop it into the water, and let it clean automatically. For a lot of pool owners, that alone is already a massive quality of life improvement compared to traditional manual cleaning methods. The suction power is rated at 3,960 GPH, and combined with a dual filtration system, this thing is clearly designed to handle more than just light dust. According to the specs, it can capture particles as small as 3 microns, including sand, leaves, hair, and fine debris. In real-world use, filtration quality matters just as much as suction because there's no point picking debris up if fine particles are pushed back into the water. For everyday pool maintenance, this level of filtration should help keep the water looking much cleaner and clearer. One thing I actually like about this model is the focus on full pool cleaning rather than just floor vacuuming. It handles floors, walls, water lines, and shallow areas, which is important because waterline buildup is usually one of the most annoying parts of pool maintenance. The Caterpillar-style treads and dual roller brushes are also designed to improve climbing ability and cleaning efficiency on different pool surfaces. Battery life is another strong feature here. You're getting up to 150 minutes in smart mode and up to 200 minutes in eco mode, which is honestly impressive for a cordless robotic cleaner. Longer runtime means fewer interruptions and better coverage, especially for medium to large pools. The fact that it claims to cover over 2,100 square feet per cycle makes it more suitable for larger residential pools rather than just compact backyard setups. The smart navigation system is also trying to address one of the biggest weaknesses of older robotic pool vacuums: random movement. Instead of bouncing around unpredictably, this one uses path planning and adaptive navigation to improve coverage and avoid getting stuck. That matters a lot because inefficient navigation can leave sections of the pool dirty while wasting battery life. The app-adjustable navigation settings are also a nice addition for pools with unusual shapes. Speaking of the app, the Smart Control System gives you access to multiple cleaning modes, navigation adjustments, and OTA firmware updates. Now, it's worth noting that the app only works on land rather than underwater real-time control, but that's fairly normal for products in this category because Bluetooth and wireless signals don't work well underwater. The good thing is that the company specifically mentions not collecting user data, which some people will appreciate. Another practical advantage is the lightweight design. At around 15 pounds with quick drainage, it's easier to lift out of the pool compared to some heavier robotic cleaners. The top-load filter basket also makes maintenance simpler because you can quickly remove and rinse it without flipping the entire unit upside down. Now, of course, there are some realistic limitations to keep in mind before buying a robotic pool cleaner like this. First, robotic vacuums are best for maintenance, cleaning rather than fixing a severely neglected pool. If your pool already has heavy algae buildup or extreme debris accumulation, manual cleaning may still be necessary initially. Second, battery-powered units always require charging downtime. So, unlike corded systems, you can't just run them continuously for extremely long cleaning sessions. Another thing is that navigation systems on robotic cleaners can vary depending on pool shape, slopes, and obstacles. Even with smart path planning, no robotic cleaner is perfect in every pool environment, especially highly irregular designs. After looking through the specifications, features, and how robotic pool cleaners in this category generally perform, I'd say the Gosvor LiteVac G1 is a strong option for pool owners who want a convenient, cordless, and smart cleaning solution without constantly scrubbing manually. The long battery life, wall and waterline cleaning capability, strong filtration, and intelligent navigation make it feel more advanced than entry-level robotic vacuums. If your goal is reducing maintenance time and keeping your pool consistently clean with minimal effort, then yes, this robotic pool vacuum is definitely worth considering.